All right, next up in the videos today is my Nadine West bag. And this is actually quite huge this month. So it's usually in a bag like that. And I'll open this up so you can see how big this bag is. Now their glue or whatever they use reminds me of like rubber cement from when you were like in, elementary school. But then they usually have tape on it as well because they do reuse these. Look at how big that bag is. So that is huge. I actually have 2 little bundles in my bag this month with my price sheet and my return label. I've actually got 5 items in the bag this week. I am a VIP member, so I don't pay for the shipping each month. So if I want something in the bag, I do pay the price for that item. But if I have a bag that I, don't quite find something that I like in, I'm not out my shipping, so that's nice. So I'm gonna grab the first bundle out of here. And here's how they come, just in a little plastic bag and then wrapped in their Nadine West with their little sticker. Okay. This is super, super soft. So let's see what I have here. This is a beautiful top. Looks like about half sleeve, short sleeve, just a little bit longer than short sleeve. This is by Sandinylla Outfitters, which I've had quite a few items from in the past, but it is the softest material, and it's kind of like a heathered burgundy. Looks a little bit more red in the video. There is a seam down the middle and the back. Might not be able to see that very well there. And there is a pocket on the one side in the front. Back up a little bit so you can see that. If this fits, this is a definite keeper. It is so soft. All right, I'm pulling out the second bundle here, and here it is. Beautiful colors this month. So super excited about that. Cute. All right, gonna just set it aside here so I can take a peek. First up is this cute little top, and it has all kinds of little birds on it. So one pocket. There is tab sleeves. Super, super soft, and this is by DNA Couture. Cute top. It does seem a little small. I would guess this looks like more of a, maybe a large or extra large. So maybe have my daughter try it on and see how big it is on her, but it's super cute. Okay, and the last clothes item. These seem a little small too. These are by Deficit, and they are, they're just one size. So these most likely will have to go back if my daughter doesn't like them. They are fleece lined. They're beautiful. Just a beautiful print on those. So we'll see. I don't think these will be on me though at all, but maybe on her. All right, and I have 2 jewelry items in this bag. This one is on pretty tight. So far, cute items. Maybe some size questions on a couple of them, but super cute. This looks like a set of 3 bracelets. There's one. 2, and 3. And these are actually super, super cute. So those will probably be a keeper. It's just a little set there. And the last item. Okay. It's a little necklace here. You know, my neighbor growing up, well, they were down the road, country neighbor, they had bowls, and that just reminds me of what the bowl had. I'm not sure I'm the biggest fan of this one, and it is fairly small in length, so it would fit, you know, real tight on the neck. So this probably would not be the best. There's how it does come together. So there's no actual clasp on it other than that. So we'll see. All right, there are my five items for the month. Let me tell you what the prices are here. The bird shirt is $21.49. The morning chill, the burgundy top, the heathered top is $24.49. The static fleece burgundy leggings are $19.99. The bullseye gold necklace is $27.99. And the Scouts Honor boho bracelet is $16.99. So I'm thinking first impressions, I will probably, if the longer sleeve burgundy heathered shirt fits, I really like that, and the bracelet is really pretty. I probably won't be trying on the leggings and the bird shirt just because they look really small, and who needs to do that on camera. But let me put on the other shirt here real quick, and I'll let you know what I think.